It's a bit engaging for the students. When they come to the class, they will feel really invested.
And that vocabulary, everything is planned, so we know what's going to be taught in the unit of work. Okay.
Situations, how kids engage with the structures of these institutions.
Yeah.
So this is what I actually want to know, so that I can implement and I can at least talk about these issues here in my parliament, and if the policy suit with my policy that I can adopt. That's all.